Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. So for today's video, I wanted to show you this Kylie Jenner inspired makeup tutorial. This was the image right here that inspired this makeup look. I really love how nice and natural it looks, how just warm it looks, and the little pop of pink that she has in her inner tear duct was just so pretty. I thought it was really pretty for now, for kind of transitioning into fall. So I was really excited to film this look. If you'd like to see how to get this look, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. Hey everybody, so to get started today, we're going to be using one of my favorite foundations. This is the Lancome Ultra Wear, and this is in the shade 420 Neutral. I'm applying this all over with my hands and then blending that out. I'm then taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the shade 25, which is the medium shade. I'm just applying this to the areas right underneath my eye, and then I'm blending that out again with a sponge. Going over that, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is the loose finishing powder in the shade medium, also number 25. So I'm just applying this all over, just a light dusting, that way it can be nice and even for today's look. And then taking the Hotel Heiress Tarte bronzer, I'm bronzing up my face as well with a nice Eco Tools brush. So for today's look, I'm using the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette, and I'm first going in with the shade Sunset Rose. I'm applying this shade all over my crease with a nice fluffy brush, really focusing the color on the outer edge of the eye and then applying it onto the lid. Then going in with the color Aruba, I'm applying it only to my brow bone. Then took the shade Pink Moon and applied it on the smaller brush and applied it only to my inner tear duct. I really just wanted to make this area pop, so I applied it a little bit over top on the eyelid, and then I brushed it downward onto the lower lash line as well. Then to really make this color pop, I took the color Maui and I applied it right over top the Pink Moon shade and really just blended that out. And then went back into the palette and took the color Sunset Rose and applied this to the lower lash line, blending in the Pink Moon and Maui color as well, and just really buffed it out. I then used the color Shade to be able to deepen in the crease, so I applied this on the smaller brush again and just really focused this area on the outer edge of the eye. I went back in with the first brush that I used, and I'm really just blending out all the shades so that they can transition really nicely. Then using one of my favorite mascaras right now, which is the Kosas Beauty, the Big Clean Mascara. I'm applying some mascara to my lashes. I really love how fluffy and open my eyes look using this mascara, and it's really nice to the touch. Then going in with the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush. This is in the shade Love. This is a really pretty terracotta shade. I just applied it onto my cheeks and then blended it out. And it blends out beautifully, and it really does last all day long. And then applied some of the Jouer Rose Gold Highlighter. After adding some to my cheeks and to my brow bone, I added some to my Cupid's bow. And then I also took some and added some to my inner tear duct as well, just for that extra little pop. Now moving on to lips, I used the Charolette Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk combo. So this is the lip liner as well as the lipstick. This color is really pretty, and it's really neutral, and it really does go with every single look, and it's a perfect neutral shade for a nice soft look. Then last but not least, I'm using the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist Mist, and I'm using this to set my makeup in place. I'm spraying this all over and then fanning it out. So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe down below. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love. Jenner inspired makeup tutorial. This is the